Good morning, all. While Gray Cat does what she does, I thought I would solve a problem, or help you solve a problem. Now, have you been troubled by the annoyance of putting a USB cable in, micro USB, USB, upside down half the time such that it doesn't go? Okay, what do I mean? Let's see, where's my USB? Okay, as any fool can plainly see, I got it right the first time. But you and I both know that half the time you do this, and then you say, how come it doesn't work the same both ways? Well, that's why Apple invented Lightning, isn't it? Nevertheless, same goes with micro USB. Since it's asymmetrical from top to bottom, when you put it in, just looking at it, you don't know, does it go this way? No. Or this way? Bozo. Yeah, that's the way it goes. Okay, so here's how we solve the problem forever. Watch this. I figured this out about, I don't know, a long time ago. You use some of these Avery 1/4 inch self-adhesive dots. I like green because it's kind of like an entry color. You put your USB cable in properly, like this, and then you put the green dot on top. Same with the micro USB. Put it in properly, put the green dot on top. Okay, there it is. So, in the future, if there's any light at all, or if you have a really good sense of touch, all you have to do is look at your USB cable. You know that side is right up, and look at that. 100% of the time it'll go in the right way. Same here. 100% of the time it goes in the right way. And there you have it. And all it takes is a dot. You can use red or blue or yellow or green. You get 768 of them in a package for whatever it says on the website. So that's my helpful hint from Joey's for the day. Kitty, you got any last words for our fans here? What? No. She's happy with the birds. Okay, we'll put this up and put it on the blog. Book of Joe TV. Woo!